Are you familiar with an entity known as 2020 Wine Merchants?
Yes, I am.
Why are you familiar with it?
It's a prominent purveyor of wine in Los
Objection,
Angeles,
Your Honor,
California.
Foundation, hearsay,
I don't see the hearsay, but I
Hearsay.
don't know.
foundation at this point.
Can we
Sure,
you approach?
sure.
He's kind of like, sure, I guess you're right.
Rottenborn's he's really he does not like this testimony coming in, and I understand why. You know, he's trying to you know, advocate for his client, represent his client's side, and he's doing the best he can, I think. But this is
Yeah,
very
so people were asking
damaging to
about
his
my
client.
thoughts on the judge. So, to add to my previous comments, I will give some criticism. I'm not a fan of how she interprets a leading question. She seems to interpret leading question to mean anything that calls for a yes or no answer, which is not what a leading question is. A leading question suggests the answer. So you can say, "Did you go to the park?" because it doesn't suggest yes or no. You can't say, "You went to the park, didn't you?" And so that's the difference. And so she's overly broad with what she interprets to be leading.
That's what I'm asking you now.
How about that for some
2020
criticism?
is a highly recognized purveyor of wine in Los Angeles, along with other companies.
Yeah, I don't see how that would have been
What
hearsay.
involvement, if any, did you have with 2020?
I satisfied the liabilities that Mr. Depp incurred, which at the dissolve of their marriage was approximately $160,000.
Do you continue to pay Mr. Depp's wine bill?
Yes, I do. We pay all of his obligations, but his wine bill has shrunk to virtually zero because
Oh shit!
They let
he
that
does
in.
not consume that much in the way of wine. He's made a few gifts around Christmas time, but his wine bill has gone to virtually zero.
Oh shit! She's the one drinking all the wine in the house.
Familiar with a Spanish wine known as Vega Sicilia?
Yes,
How are you familiar with that?
I know that it is a very expensive wine and that I know that Ms. Heard enjoyed drinking the wine.
How much does it cost?
The cost of the wine is approximately $500 a bottle.
Jeez Louise.
Were you
lot of money for wine.
ultimately charged with paying for
Classy taste.
wine that was served on
Expensive taste.
on April 21, 2016?
Yes, I was. We rendered the
Objection,
payment for that
Foundation.
balance.
I'll overrule the objection.
Yeah. If he
How many bottles of Vega Sicilia were served?
At Ms. Heard's request, she ordered 5 bottles of the wine and 8 bottles of other wine. So a total of 13 bottles of wine.
Thank you, Mr. Whitehead.
How much did it cost? Just ask that.
ooh, no other questions.
500 times 30.
Get in, get out.